как легко вытащить.
Угу. Вот. Şunu çağıram dep, gideceğim dep, boldu sındıralım. Sealant, and then we're going to install the new sink.
Sí, cuando abras, ver para que no da.
Måns natain level av hva kan det ha? Her, dinja. Since the countertop is not level, so we're just gonna put this sink like this, and then we're gonna apply the sealant around the edge because I can't apply this sealant right now because some areas are not covered like this a little bit, so it's not level. So I'll have to put the sink like this and then apply the sealant later on. So I'm just gonna clean up the area so I can put the sink in, and then I'm gonna apply the sealant afterwards. So the sink is on, the faucet is on. We're gonna seal it later on because we're gonna find the sealing machine, caulking machine. So now we're gonna install the pipes and then P-trap, and then I think we're good. Okay, so oldu ilginç rakime olan onu katılıyorum. The emergency hole is here. It's right here. So I marked it. I'm just gonna mark it, the paper here. And so this hole should stay here. So I'm gonna check it and then tighten it up now. Install this. No. So it's good. So this pipe was a little longer. So what we're gonna do is just remove it and then take the gasket a little bit back and then try to fit it like this, and so we can have the P-trap in here. So that's what I'm gonna do. Okay. The gasket goes through here.
Ну-ка. Тигин башындагы пластикти кошо киргизишиң керек, потом тенис можешь его.
Yani.
Наоборотtan gireceğsin. Ha, şimdi.
Bu яқамда болуш үчүнчү жана
Аны ручкамен отмечать этип алышып анан кийин түшүрүп атышкан эле.
жок, аны кылдым. Тиги. So now we're gonna install the stopper and the rod. So the stopper has a hole like this that goes here. So we're gonna install the rod, stopper here, and there's a hole for the stopper that has to be aligned with this. And once I put it here, I'm gonna test it from inside just to make sure that it's in that hole. Here. So we're going to tighten the underneath the stopper. So it's tightened up. Yep, that's good. Gonna put the lift rod strap that goes to. Alright, well, that's your second.